Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, interest rates have had a number of changes over the years. Calvin, what do our viewers need to know as it relates to things like taking advantage of higher interest rates?
That's right, Jen. So we've had a drastic change in interest rates over the last few years, from very low to all-time record highs, and now they've come down, and we're not quite sure where they're going to go in the future. So when interest rates are low, it's great for refinancing a mortgage or debt to those lower rates. But when interest rates are high, it's a good time to change your CDs or money market accounts, or even annuities that were purchased in a low interest rate environment may be better served being replaced in a higher rate environment to increase payouts for income or accumulation. So keeping your financial plan up to date over time on changing interest rates is critically important.
It's all about finding those opportunities, staying on top of changes, and you and your team put together some resources that can help us do just that.
That's right. There's a window of opportunity right now in this interest rate environment, and we have put this toolkit together for you to maximize what you're doing with each of the different accounts you've saved in for retirement to maximize this current interest rate environment in your portfolio. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you navigate an ever-changing interest rate environment during your retirement years.
That's right. You can get the book, all of those reports on retirement's biggest topics. It's all part of that free retirement roadmap kit. You can call, text, or go online to get yours today. Calvin, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time. Have a great week.